Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are learning English in the Rocky Mountains. It's brisk out here. It's very sticky. A moose.
Their coffee gets sold in Alberta.
We are at Radium Hot Springs to make kindling for the fire. It's the highest town in Canada. Start the word count and let's go. Okay, so what is this place famous for?
They're famous for their coffee. They are a Canadian roastery, and this is their location in British Columbia.
Are they all over Canada?
Their coffee gets sold in Alberta, and I'm presuming all over the place. And seeing that we are coffee lovers, it's a nice treat for us to come. I'll have a cappuccino, please. And then is the Canadiano just black coffee or?
It's an Americano.
Okay, yep. Okay, I'll have one of those.
And are these just there to go?
It's to go. We'll have it to go. Huh? We'll just take it to go.
Yeah.
I got you.
Do you want the 8, 12, or 16 ounce for the Canadian?
12. I'll take the 12 for that one. Perfect.
We'll just call your name at the
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Is that your?
It's my cappuccino.
Now you go to Canadian.
You have a cappuccino for Maria.
Yes, thank you so much. Here, you can have a look at it. It's really good. Cheers.
Okay, how's your coffee?
It's delicious. It is kicking horse coffee, but it actually says kick ass.
And how's your one?
It's Canadiano.
Canadiano.
Ecuatoriano.
Okay, so we got Kicking Horse Coffee. This is a very popular coffee in Canada, and it was founded in 1996 here in Invermere, BC. And it's one of the best places to work in Canada. And how's your
Cheers.
coffee? That's a strong coffee or what?
It's strong. That's why I can only drink a normal cup. I can't drink a bucket like some people do. So this is an 8 ounce. It's Invermere.
So yeah, that was just a quick pit stop here in Invermere, Kicking Horse, to get some coffee. I don't drink coffee personally, so I didn't get any.
Oh, and did you
My
show?
mom and dad did.
Yeah, and we bought some coffee too
Oh,
for the road.
Are those coffee beans or coffee grounds?
These are coffee grounds because I don't have my coffee mill with me.
Oh, okay. But now we're back at the camper van, so
Let's go.
let's go. Ooh. Ooh. It's brisk out here. Let's go to the lake.
Let's go.
There is a lot of wind today. I only see one person out on the lake kayaking. This reminds me of the homes along the BC coast. Like especially in all those small islands and stuff, all those houses.
Yes.
And this beach is very rocky. This is a very rocky beach. See all those pebbles, like a small rock like this? This is called a pebble. A small rock like this is called a pebble. But yeah, this water is pretty choppy. The water is pretty choppy. If the water was smoother and calmer, I would be able to skip this, but it's pretty choppy right now, so I don't think I could skip it. No.
Look, it's all rocks in there too.
Yeah, and you can see this foam. All this foam along the shoreline. What is this foam? I just asked ChatGPT, so we'll see what this foam is along the shoreline. Natural lake. Okay, so the foam you see along the shoreline is natural lake foam. It forms when organic material in the water, like decomposed plants, algae, and other natural matter, breaks down and releases compounds called surfactants. These surfactants lower the surface tension of the water, so when the waves and wind stir the lake, bubbles form and gather into foam. So it's harmless. It's caused by the wind and the waves making it build up, and it sticks to where the water meets the land. So it's just formed by the lake. It's nothing bad. You could probably eat it, but I would not recommend that. It's pretty cold. Let's head back. Ooh, I don't know what happened to all the nice weather.
Yesterday was beautiful. Today?
Is it always like this here?
No, last time we were here in the summer, the lake was calm. We had ice cream here. It was beautiful.
Let's go. English opens doors to jobs, friendships, travel, and more. But the hardest part is finding someone to practice with every single day. That's where EasySpeak AI helps. Real speaking practice, anytime, anywhere. With 12 plus AI tutors, you choose the vibe. Friendly, professional, or casual. Lessons are practical. They focus on real life skills like travel, health conversations, and real life chats you actually use. Oh, I think I'm seasick. I do not feel good. Let's call Ava. Hey Ava, I really don't feel good. I think I have seasickness, so I want you to help me practice for when I go to the pharmacy.
What exactly are you feeling right now?
Right now, I'm just feeling very nauseous. My head is pounding. I feel dizzy.
Are you also feeling clammy or perhaps a bit weak?
I do feel quite weak, actually.
Do you have any other symptoms like a cough or sore throat?
No, I don't have a sore throat, and I don't have a cough either.
That's good news. Are you experiencing any chills or feeling particularly tired? Almost like you could just sleep all day?
I am not feeling chills, but I am feeling very tired.
They might also ask about how long you've had these symptoms and if anything makes them better or worse.
This feels like a real conversation. The tutor responds naturally, corrects you fast, and builds confidence every session. Everything is personalized. Set your goals and interests, and the app adapts everything for you. The review tab shows exactly how you're improving. 5 minutes a day is all it takes. Imagine where your English can be in 3 months. More confidence, smoother conversations, and no hesitation when it really matters. If you're ready to speak with confidence, download EasySpeak AI using the link in my description or pinned comment. Practice for 7 days straight, and one of you will be entered to win a free 1-year plan of EasySpeak AI. Thank you, EasySpeak AI, for sponsoring today's video. Okay, we're headed through the underpass to the hot springs. Okay, so we are at Radium Hot Springs. That started in 1914 here, and the hot spring is actually located right there. So that's just where the pool is, but the source of the hot spring is in these mountains right here nearby, and they just bring the warm water and fill up this pool. So this is the hot spring, and it's a pretty popular one. Half of it is closed right now for renovation, but this half is open. That water doesn't even look that warm though. I don't see any steam coming out, and it's pretty cold out here. So that's an empty pool. You see the pool's empty, and that slide slides into the pool. But I guess they're cleaning it. Yeah, there's a diving board right there, and they're cleaning the pool, so there's no water in the pool. Hopefully they have that up and running soon. So these are all the national parks in Canada. So there's a lot in this area right here, and this is where we are right now. This is like the Rocky Mountains on the border between Alberta and British Columbia. And you have a lot up here in the north, in the territories.
Pretty sure this is the biggest national park in North America.
It looks big.
It's called Athabasca National Park or something.
Okay, so this is an underpass. You can see here. The highway goes on top and we walk under it. So it's an underpass for pedestrians. And these right here are paw prints from different animals. There's a wolverine paw print, a cougar, hare, coyote, deer, and wolf. And then on this side, this is a coyote. This is a wolf. This is a cougar, a deer, and a moose. Yeah, and this right here is this is like an overpass, so animals cross here. So instead of crossing over the highways, they just cross over right here. Animal crossing. Animal crossing, there you go. There we go. So Animal Crossing. I got you. Thank you. So I guess that was actually pretty obvious, Animal Crossing. Okay, so technically this is called a wildlife crossing, and it's just for animals to cross the highway without getting in the way of vehicles and getting hit. So we've just arrived at our campsite in Banff National Park. Dude, that is a nice mountain. So that is our view today. Look at that. And then this is the campsite we're in. So you're making a teepee fire. He's using the hand torch to start the fire. Okay, so now my dad is chopping wood with a hatchet to make kindling for the fire. Okay, so this is a hatchet. because this is small. An axe is similar to this, but a lot longer. But a short one like this, that's used just for precision cutting and making kindling, is called a hatchet. But now the fire is really going. Okay guys, I want to make s'mores. I have my marshmallows here and my chocolate cookie here. The fire is kind of like way too big to make a s'more, but I think if I hold it right here, I'll be able to make a good one. Okay, now let's put my marshmallows on my marshmallow roasting stick, on my marshmallow stick. One, let's cook these up. So now it's time to create my s'more with 4 marshmallows, because that's the minimum. Got my s'more here. And the rule is always 1 cracker and 4 marshmallows. That way the chocolate melts. It's very sticky. The marshmallow is very sticky. Okay, we're walking to the bus stop right here to catch a bus into town because we don't really want to drive our camper van into town. Isn't that right, Mom?
Yes, we're going to take the bus in. It's $2 to come back and free to go, I guess.
Oh, really?
Yeah, free to go.
How do you know?
She told me that.
Oh, she said.
Yeah, so $2 to come back, and we're on Route 2, so it goes to the Banff Springs Hotel.
So we should get off like Moose, Muskrat North, and then this is the beginning of town. You can walk through town.
Stuff, because that's
No,
kind of
we get up here and then this is the whole town. Check your map again, what time the bus comes. 6:06, I thought.
I won't be spot on.
It's in 10 minutes. So we have to wait about 11 minutes. So let's wait. Bus is coming now. I used to put ski gear and stuff.
It's the
up here.
Fairmont Hotel. We get into the front?
Yes.
Yes, so. Hi.
Hello, how are you?
We're on the way down, you pay on the way back.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you. Okay, we're on the bus now. $2 is not too bad.
Oh, it's free.
Well, on the way back, $2 for the total trip, pretty much. Or if you're only going one way, it'd be free. This is a public transportation bus. It's very clean. Banff was established as Canada's first national park in 1885 and the world's 3rd national park. In the whole world, it was number 3. So Canada Goose is one of like the most popular Canadian brands, and at one point it was known as the Gucci of winter. And they're actually a publicly traded company on the Toronto and the New York Stock Exchange. And these jackets are very expensive. Like the average price of these jackets, $1,000, which is very expensive for a winter jacket. But I guess that's why people like it so much. So Banff National Park was created after Canadian Pacific Railroad workers found a natural hot spring here on Sulphur Mount, and then it was established as a national park in Canada.
So it's been a national park for a long time.
And Banff, the town we're in right now, is one of the only towns that are actually located inside a national park. So Banff is one, Jasper's one, so Alberta has two towns located in a national park.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool.
It is.
4 million people per year travel to Banff, which is a lot.
I would believe that. And we're on the off season now, it's still very
right now
busy.
it's not too busy, but it's super busy because the summer it's beautiful for hiking trails. There's about 1,600 kilometers of hiking trails, or 1,000 miles in the summer. So there's so much to do. And in the winter, there's snowboarding, skiing. There's like 3 ski hills just within the Banff area. So there's a lot to do. Did you know Moraine Lake was once featured on the $20 bill?
No,
It used to be on the $20 bill.
did you know we're going to go there tomorrow?
Yeah. I didn't actually know that. And they used to call it the $20 view. But I guess they changed it. I don't even know who is on the $20 bill anymore.
Wow, pretty cool.
I'm very warm because I wore long pants, but Leon, you can see he just wore shorts, so I'm sure he's pretty cold.
No, he's real Canadian.
Okay, so this is the bridge, or this is the bridge. That is the river. This is the Bow River, the same one through Calgary.
Yep,
The same one that runs through Calgary.
yep. It's the Bow River.
This is a nice river. It's very wide. Looks very wide, and it looks very shallow too. Like I could see the bottom right here. I wonder why there's a bunch of safety pylons on the right-hand side of this sidewalk.
Sure, they close the road off during the day.
So this is the fun fact. This is the highest town in Canada. It sits at almost 1,400 meters above sea level. So it's the highest town in Canada. And I imagine there's a lot of high people here as well, since it's very close to BC. If you know, you know.
If you know, you know, yeah.
Caution, Sasquatch crossing. So this is a souvenir shop we're in right now, and they just sell all these little things. They're called souvenirs. So here are some magnet souvenirs, license plates, mugs, chocolate, maple syrup, that's very popular in Canada. A lot of souvenirs here.
Moose?
A moose. Moose.
Black bear?
Oh yeah.
A proper one.
This is a moose with horns. Or not horns, with antlers.
Yeah. What you waiting for?
The bus. Okay, so now we're back.
We're back at our campsite.
We're
Home
back
for
at
the
our
night.
campsite.
Yeah, home for the night.
We're back at our campsite now. We were just in town. We got to see the town. Very nice town, actually. I think it's one of the nicest towns in the mountains here in Canada. But now we're heading back to our campsite. Hopefully there's no like bear that eats us. If there is, hopefully it eats Leon first, honestly.
Well, they'll be full after they snack on this one.
If you guys want to become more confident and sound more natural when you speak English, check out my Patreon. I post videos there made exclusively just to practice your English pronunciation, your confidence, and your fluency. So if you guys want to sound fluent in English and become more confident, check out my Patreon in the description.
Yeah, it was nice. Nice. The bus is very convenient.
That's probably it for tonight. We're just going to relax by this fire now.
No, all the
Good night. And remember, guys, you will become fluent in English.
Their coffee gets sold in Alberta. It's my cappuccino.
It's brisk out here. See all those pebbles, like a small rock like this? The water is pretty choppy. All this foam along the shoreline. The source of the hot spring is in these mountains right here. Half of it is closed right now for renovation, but this half is open. So that's an empty pool. And these right here are paw prints from different animals. Hare, coyote. This is like an overpass, so animals cross here. To make kindling for the fire. Okay guys, I'm gonna make s'mores. Now let's put my marshmallows on my marshmallow roasting stick. It's very sticky.
I won't be spot on.
It's in 10 minutes. National Park in 1885, 1,600 kilometers of hiking trails and a $20 bill.
No,
It used to be on the $20 bill. You can see he just wore shorts, so I'm sure he's pretty cold. This is the highest town in Canada. A moose